What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Damaris. Please like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. So today we are going to prepare nduma zito kwa kizungu arrowroots. So I got my boiled meat there, then I had my onions, and then when they turned brown I added my boiled meat. So I'm going to wait for the meat to turn like goldish kizungu brown. Where English guys, akimaze subscribe. 80% of my people watching have not subscribed. Don't connect zangu hapa. As you can see, I have onions, I have ginger and garlic, and then carrots. I told you carrots and me. Hiyo ndo siri ya upishi. So as you can see, my meat. So I've added my carrot, my tomatoes, my ginger, and my garlic. Only those are the ingredients. And then those are the nduma with some poreros. Yeah, as you know, tomorrow it's a weekend, so it's a Saturday. You have to prepare a lot of food because tomorrow it's cleaning day. Oh guys, and then guys, please subscribe akiwa setu tufike 1000 subscribers. Mmesema tukakwamie tu hapo 910. And like this, if you watch a video, please give it a thumbnail. Kuna watu hawajui kusubscribe ni wapi. Ni hapo kuna my picture, Damasmul vlog, then subscribe. If it has been subscribed, you have already subscribed. Finya your bell. When I post any video, you can see. So let's wait for the end results of this. Guys, today measuring with my eyes didn't work. Went south, went north, went east. So that's how the day was. That's the day, guys. That's how my cooking will be. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of water so that they can boil and be cooked. What? Yes. Ndo iboil ipikike jamani. And so let's wait for the result. Alafu kitaka vizuri pia funika close your food.